Jettzycomau review, pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for travel experiences or last-minute deals in Australia, Jettzycomau may seem perfect, but most people get this wrong by assuming the lowest price always gives the full experience. The surprising truth is that extras like booking fees, taxes, or optional add-ons can add up. Jettzycomau offers flights, tours, and accommodations starting as low as for domestic experiences. Premium experiences can cost, depending on duration and inclusions. Service fees typically range from 5–10% per booking. What you get: access to curated travel experiences, user reviews, and easy online booking. What you give up: some inclusions like meals or guided activities may be optional and add to the cost. Cancellation policies vary, so flexibility may require extra fees. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Compare base prices versus total cost with add-ons. Step 2. Read user reviews for quality and reliability. Step 3. Check cancellation and refund policies. Step 4. Decide if optional extras are worth the price for your itinerary. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore fees. The final bill may be much higher than the initial quote. The surprising truth is that careful planning ensures Jettzycomau offers value without hidden surprises. In conclusion, Jettzycomau provides convenient access to travel deals, but understanding pricing, add-ons, and policies ensures you get the experience you expect for your money.